the pups were having fun in the pool. Suddenly a crazy tornado came and it spun them all up. And then as the tornado did, they were all getting dizzy. Then it finally stopped. Then they would keep playing. Then one day, Marshall splashed too hard, and he made a big mistake. The pups began to play, and Marshall began to play too. He was acting nice, saying, "Oh, Everest, what is it? You really can't believe this. I did a huge splash. Wow, that was so cool. I want to see. I'm watching." Then he splashed, and Everest said, "Wow, that's amazing. Let me do it." As soon as Everest did it, she did it in real life. And Rubble and Sky said, "That was so cool, amazing." Then Rubble got the rest of the cars in. He invited all the single car, but he didn't invite the boss car. As soon as he did it, it was so fun. They felt like that's toys. They really loved it so much. And then the big boss came. And he said, "Why is nobody playing with me?" "Oh well, I'll just get all of these cars out. Then I'll be able to go in." As soon as he got it out,
let's put that nice and straight.
And then he came in. Then he destroyed all of the pups. Then they were really scared. And then just Sky and Liberty came out of the pool because they were so scared. And then he came out. Then they will be able to play. As soon as they played, it was so fun. And then he was happy. And then something weird that they'd never seen before. It was Phase 2, Mr. Black. He destroyed the whole world, even Paw Patrol City. They couldn't take it anymore. And then the cats be able to splash out because they thought it was heavy for them. And then they thought it would be lighter if they just get out. As soon as they got out, they can do it so much. Then the crazy tornado came again. It was 3 hours later. Then the crazy tornado stopped. Then a pool turned into lava. They all jumped. And they all gathered. It was so fun they couldn't take it anymore. Chase said, "Why is it so burning?" And Sky said, "Yip, how is it so nice and warm?" Chase and Marshall said, "It's not warm, Sky. It's not warm, Chase." "Oh, I forgot. It's night and good." And then they all began to play. They